Hi, welcome to Sevat recipe. Today I'm going to show you Maggi noodle fry. Let's get started. We'll wait for the water to boil. Then we're going to put in the Maggi noodles. Now the water is boiling. I'm going to put in the Maggi noodles. Yeah. So I'm putting it for 2-3 minutes. Leave it first. Just have to be cautious and just turning a bit to wait for it to soften. It's not ready yet. We'll have to wait another 1 or 2 seconds. Now it's ready to drain out. I'm going to drain the noodles. Shift it to a plate. Now we're starting to fry the noodle, so I wait for the pan to heat up. So I'm adding in sesame oil, 3 spoons, garlic. Saute a bit for a while. And I'm adding in onion, half an onion. In carrot, half a cup. Another 2 spoons. Saute a bit more. Then adding the chili powder. Adding the tomato. Onions bring the bottom part I'm adding it. So I'm adding it a little while. Adding in cabbage, spring onion, melon. Now I'm going to add in all the sauces. Be cautious about adding the sauces because they already have vinegar and salt already. This is oyster sauce, chili sauce, 1 spoon, light soy sauce. I'm going to stir it. I'm going to add a little bit oil here, and I'm going to add the egg, a little bit salt here. I'm going to scramble the egg a bit. Now we'll add in the noodles. So I'm going to add a bit of water. If you do any mistake like this, don't be panic. You can always do something to get the best out of it. So I'm going to add a little bit stock of the noodles. It's fat and yummy. It's done. It's ready to eat. I'm going to serve this into a nice plate to show you how. Okay, ready to dish out. Wow. So yummy.
If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe to Sevat recipes, and also click the bell icon to get your notification. Thank you so much.